Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh. Ezra, you're hurting me. I slept with my makeup on. I didn't hear the thunder. It's 7:13 in the morning. I didn't hear the thunder. Yeah, I was knocked out. Oops, maybe knocked you out. But today I decided I'm going to vlog because I want to do my hair today. So I wanted to show you what I was going to do. I'm going to get some hair supplies. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready. Ezra on his own to watch TV while I had a bath. Look at him. Oh my gosh. So I've washed and blow dried my hair. I need to now go and buy the stuff that I need to do my jumbo braids. That's what I want to do. I need to get Xpressions, rubber bands. Anyways, I'm gonna list all the stuff that I'm gonna use and show you how I do it. But this is what I'm wearing, a gym top, because when I get back I'm doing my workout, and Primark leggings, and that's it really. The only thing I'm worried about is, do you know where the parts of my hair is short? I don't know how I'm gonna get that in, but hopefully I'm gonna buy some hair wax or edge control and see if that will help when I put it in a elastic band. So yeah, so let me go and get that. It's about 9:30 now, so the shop should be open. JJ's gone to use grandma's. It's just me and Ezra, so my hands are slightly free. I'll see you guys in a bit. Ezra and I are ready to go. He's kind of still. Are you awake? Yeah? Can't see you. You awake? Yeah? So we're off to Pound Shop first. I need to get new batteries for my fitness watch and the belt thing that goes around it. And get some hair supplies. Someone's falling asleep. But yeah. We ready. It's actually quite cold today. Oops, I'm all tangled up. It's quite cold today, but not too cold, but a bit chilly. We are off to the shops. Ezra, let me know how the quality of this video is, because I'm using my iPhone, the iPhone X, so I can't see the quality. So let me know. Yeah. So I'm back home, guys. I took almost 2 hours looking for one particular battery for my Polar watch, and I still could not find it, so that's annoying. So I need to go on Amazon now and yeah, look for stuff. And do you know what? I didn't know, because I haven't been to the hair shop in like a couple of months now. They do pre-stretched hair. Xpressions do pre-stretched hair. That is gonna that's gonna save me a lot of time to do these braids. I'm actually really excited about that. And I just bought pizza for myself in the afternoon, and juice, and that's about it. Oh, and like hair wax. I got this eco style beeswax. I hope this works, but we'll see. So that's it. I'm going to tidy up, have some breakfast, a very late breakfast. It's now 11:15, so I'm gonna have my breakfast now. And should I tidy up first? Yeah, tidy up first and then do my hair. Yeah. So guys, I'm about to do my hair. I thought I was gonna tidy up first, but it makes sense for me to do my hair because that's probably when Ezra would wanna be pulling at the hair while I try to do and stuff. So I thought I'll do my hair, then I'll tidy up. So let me just show you what I'm gonna use. This is the stuff that I bought today. So like I said, I bought pre-stretched hair. I got 3 packs because I've already got one pack of Xpression, so the normal one. Let me see if I can get it. Yeah, so this is the normal Xpression. So this is the one that has not been stretched, so I have got to do that myself. I've got a new Telco because I can't find my other one. I got this eco style beeswax, what do you call this, mousse, foaming mousse, and rubber bands. That's what I bought. And I've just got some eco styler gel just in case this is like crap. And I've got Creme of Nature Edge Control, and just normal hair grease, yeah, Soulmate, and an ugly ass toothbrush. And that's all I'm gonna use to do my hair, so I'm gonna get started. So I've done, let me stand up, I've done hair, I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying my best to show you guys what I've done. Without a mirror, by the way, this was so long. So yeah, the front, this side of my hair is problematic. Oh my gosh guys, this is so cool. They put this in sections already. This makes my life so easier. Oh my gosh, look. There's, how many? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces already been done for me. And I need 17, so that's, and I've got 3 packs, so that's 12. So all I've got to do is use the other one to make, this is, this just makes my life so much easier. I don't have to do working out of how much I need. This is so perfect. I should have just bought another one. If I knew this is what it was gonna look like. I'm so excited. This is gonna take me, it's not gonna take me long now. How long did it take me to do this? It took me about an hour and a half to do the sectioning. So I'm gonna see how long, well, Ezra's gonna wake up, so it's probably gonna take longer, but yeah, it's not gonna, I should get this done before JJ and his dad gets home, so I'm so excited about this. This is absolutely perfect. Thank you, Xpressions. This is the best. Guys, it's like the right size or right thickness that I need for the braids. This is absolutely perfect, honestly. I'm actually even thinking it might even still be a bit thick. I might split it into 2. It's the right size, but I think, yeah, it's fine actually. Yeah, it's a good size. So basically I just split, let me show you guys. I just halved one of these to do the braids. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue. So guys, it's been about an hour. It's been about an hour now. I've done 7 braids. I don't know how it looks at the back. Well, that's what I've done so far. The braids are they get thinner, like towards the middle. So then it creates this like funky loop. You have to like add extra hair to make it a bit thicker. So that's the only thing I don't know whether it's because of the amount of hair that was already put together or it's just how I braid. I don't know. But that's what I've done so far. Ezra's awake. You awake? Laying over there on the floor. I've got about how many did I have? I've got 10. Yeah, I've got 10 left to do. And I'll be done. So hopefully I can do this within another hour and I'm done. But I need to eat. I'm starving. So guys, this is the finished look. Don't know if you can see. There's my hair at the back. I've got the towel around my neck because the water's dripping from the ends. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. I can't see. But there's my hair. But yeah, what do you think? Did I do a good job? One thing I would say about the hair is I noticed that there's different lengths. There's 2 lengths. So there's 2 lengths. There's 2 36 inches and 2 44 inches. So I think I've mixed them up. I thought they were all the same lengths, but clearly not, because you can see where the pink band stops. That's a shorter one, and obviously that's a longer one. So what I should have done was use the shorter one for the back. I think, yeah, shorter one for the back. Is it the short one for the back, or no, the longer one for the back, and then the shorter one for the front, which I think I might have done. Sorry. Or not, but I mixed them up, so I don't even know. Let me know in the comments in the comments below. Was I meant to use a short one first for the back or the longer one for the back? Let me know. Yeah. So another thing that I want to suggest to you guys, I normally would do the hold loop thing, so you get to put over one another, but I noticed that when I did it that way, Ezra, I'm coming. Sorry about Ezra's in the background. Yeah, so what I decided to do was just hold one side and sort of make obviously the 2 stranded bit over there, and then start braiding rather than doing the loop thing, because I just noticed that with the looped one it was getting thinner quickly, and with this one it was thicker. And then when you get to about the ends, that's when you need to start adding a little bit more to braid to the ends. Or what I should have done was just add more hair or something. But yeah, that would have just made it a bit more complicated. Yeah, give this a thumbs up if you think I did a good job. I'm going to end the video here because I'm done. And I'm going to tidy up because, yeah, the kitchen's a mess, as you can see in the background. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, share this video and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.